If you manage your product task in Notion, here is how to share a roadmap with your users and let them vote on features without giving them access to your workspace or showing more than you want. You manage your product task in Notion, and your users want to know what's coming and have a say. The problem is sharing a public Notion page exposes internal fields and tasks that aren't ready. No-code builders are great, but they make you rebuild everything, and dedicated roadmap tools means you have to duplicate your data. With SlapPortal, your Notion database becomes a clean external portal. You choose exactly which properties to show and which tasks to make visible. Everything else stays hidden. You can even enable voting. Users see the roadmap and upvote features they care about. Each user gets one vote per feature. The count syncs back to your Notion database, so you can prioritize directly from there. Here is how to set it up. First, your Notion database. You need a database with your features or tasks. Make sure you have a status and a description property. To allow users to vote, you will need to create a relation property that makes the link between your product task database and your users database. Make sure it's bidirectional. Now for the setup in SlapPortal, create a new tab and select your product task database. You can then name your tab and give it a slug. You will then have to choose how to display the roadmap. You can choose, for example, a board view displayed by status. The next step is to decide what properties you want to show to the users in the board view and in the page view. Select just the properties that you want to show to your users and hide the rest. Then you can allow the upvoting. And finally, define rules to only show the tasks that you really want to show your user. For example, based on a tag that says this task should be shown on the roadmap. That's it. Your roadmap is now live. Your data stays in Notion and you are collecting real signal from your users. Try it for free at getslap.co/portal. You can find the link in the description. Thank you.